November 23rd, 2020 Daily Math Review. All right, so we have a table here. It says Martha needs 28 strawberries for every 4 smoothies she makes. Complete the table using equivalent ratios. All right, so strawberries and smoothies. It says 28 strawberries she needs. So 28, let's do like a strawberry-ish color. To make for every 4 smoothies that she makes. So, it's a little too light of a green. There we go. All right, so 28 strawberries. Yep, 28 strawberries for every 4 smoothies. There we are. All right, we can use arrows. How do we get from 4 to 28? I need to put these in front. Let's see. Order, bring front. There we go. All right, so how can we get from 4 to 28? 4 times what equals 28? I know 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. So multiply by 7. And then if we get from 28 to 4, we divide by 7. All right, let's take our arrows through. So the empty box is our strawberries here. 3 times 7 is going to be 21. And then if we point to the box here, why is that not in the center? There we go. 70 divided by 7 equals 10. So there is our DMR. Great job.